Ayubowan. The word Ayubowan is a meaningful wish of Sri Lankans. It means a long life. During our life, our memory power is very important thing to be a successful person. Memory is a very important factor in becoming a successful person. If you are a student in education, memory will help you pass the exams. If you are a professional person in any field, the memory power help for your work in progress. If you are a housewife, memory is a very important factor in the success of your day-to-day work. Our necktop is the best computer in this universe. Necktop meaning the upper part of the neck. The human brain has millions of brain cells. I heard one memory cell in our brain can be equal to be a modern computer. It means our one memory cell has capacity of one of modern computer. We have such a wonderful brain. But interesting thing is, lot of people are blaming about they have memory problems. But there are many reasons for the bad memory. As an example, I can mention stressful lifestyle. If you are learning or working on a subject that you don't like, some damages happen to brain from accidents. Also within elderly, some memory cells of brain getting die. Today, I am going to introduce you a beautiful meditation technique. It helps to improve your memory power and brain power. It's help you to reduce emotional stress of your daily life, also to be mindful and be beautiful person. I learned this meditation from my grandmother when I was teenager. At that time, I had some memory problems because of my exam stress. This practice really worked for me, and I am sure that will be useful for you too. You can make this meditation in any time of the day, whenever you find out free time. But best time is early morning after that sunrise and after that sunset as my experiences. As preparation, you should find out a container, put some flowers. Then walk around in your garden or in a place, can find out some flowers. Let's walk very silent and mindfully. During touching flowers of plants and feel their energy. And pick up some flowers very mindfully. During looking to yourself and offer these flowers to Lord Buddha. While you picking flowers, while you arrange flowers to offer Buddha, you have to make nice wish. The wish is, I offer this flower to Lord Buddha. I want liberation of mind. Also you can think, I offer this flower to Lord Buddha. I want good memory and wisdom. Like that, you can murmur to your mind while you pick in flowers, while you arrange the flowers to offer Buddha, and while you offer in flowers to Lord Buddha. If you are very strict with your own religious views, you can offer these flowers to your own higher spiritual master. Let's do this practice continuously 21 days. Then let us know your feedbacks. I wish you all the triple gem blessings and blessings of God's Goddess. Hope to see you soon again with another YouTube video. Wish you have a nice day.